Howdy Cubs, Pijo in Pattaya. Check that out, the Grand Center Point Hotel Space Pattaya. It says opening 1st of August. So a couple of months to go. There's a big water park in there too, round the back. That's the road up to Nuklua. And down here is the Dolphin Roundabout. And that looks like it's gonna be a big hotel going up there too. Wednesday, the 1st of June, 2022. And the great news is, all the nightclubs are gonna reopen from tonight. Remember all those old bars, Pitbull, Soy 33. I'm pretty sure that whole block is getting redone because all the bars up there, Italian restaurant, but they've all been closed off. It's gonna be another big building, I'm guessing. Now let's have a look down here. Bit of traffic around, although the tourists aren't really coming back yet. So it's a strange situation. We got the nightclubs opening. Yes, got to be careful now. All this traffic, people turn everywhere. Look at those little bars. Roundabout bar. That's cool. Good little spot there, because this is the Dolphin Roundabout area. No exchange rates there. Check this out. That's down to the beach and Second Road there, and Terminal 21 shopping. It's hot again today. Had a slight bit of rain. The clouds are building up again. Don't know whether we get rain or not. Oh yeah, that was the Fairtex Resort all in there. If you guys remember that. I've never really stayed up this end of town. Look, North Pattaya Road goes all along to the bus terminal along here. Yeah, the Fairtex Hotel. Some cool looking buildings around as you drive around. Look at all that. Look at those places in there. That's all the sports club still. Muay Thai training. Looks cool. Yeah, I hope everyone's doing okay. Party is still fairly quiet. But as I said, from today, officially bars, clubs can reopen. Whether that'll change anything, we still have the Thai pass system to arrive. There's the Thai Garden Resort. I think they used to do shows up there. The Consulate of Germany, Consulate of Austria, there in there. According to that sign. Look at the buildings, you can see everywhere. Just keep building. Yeah, look at those. Nice little restaurant area there too. That's the big gem hall there. Ever been in there? You want to buy gems, coloured stones, and the Lotus have all changed from Tesco Lotus to Lotus now. Here's another thing you probably didn't know. There's Pattaya City Hall. If ever you need to go to a City Hall meeting, there she is. We've closed down that next to it. What was that? Toscano. Is that another gem place, I think? Vicino Medical Centre, biggest one in Pattaya, nearly just across the road there. Huge for medical supplies, if anyone needs anything. Well, let's take a look up here. Does anyone ever stay up this area? Hotel J there. Some nice looking buildings around and hotels. Guaranteed 6% return for 3 years, sure. It's the start of Third Road just there. That goes all the way into central Pattaya there. There was a couple of cool hotels just down here. I don't know if we have a quick time. Look at that, Libali. Look at the traffic scene, a one-lane road. Get stuck down there. Libali, but there's a couple of big hotels and the Proud. let's go back along towards that bus station area. I want to show you guys another big condo block too, just down here. Left turn on red. Sometimes you don't know if it's allowed or it's allowed. They say left turn on red. Some say waiting light. There's a Thai restaurant. Oh, I can smell the chili. Someone's frying up the chili. I'm gonna sneeze. The big Samsung customer service up there. Little factory area there. Of course, the petrol price has gone up again, another $1 a litre. So everyone's got to pay. It's a worldwide thing, I think. This Healthland Spa and Massage, that's a big place. But as you can see, this end of town's fairly quiet. It's just the shops and the main roads. No bars really around here. But then you look at this condo block, the Pattaya Posh, and you look at the size of that thing. There's some good views up there, I tell you. There's another gem gallery over there where the bus loads come in. And the big macro supermarket, you want bulk food supplies, that's where you go. And you guys want to catch the bus to Bangkok, this is the North Pattaya bus terminal just here. It's where the buses come in, the blue and white big coaches. It's looking pretty quiet at the moment, as you can see. It's where you go pay, just there. Go to Ekamai or Morchit station. I think it's only about 120 baht, or there, 128 baht is the price. And you wait here, the big bus will come in. And I think it's only 2 hours, maybe an hour and a half if the traffic's good. And that's one way to get a taxi. Taxi's about 1,000 baht, maybe 1,200 baht. It's a good Thai restaurant just over there too. See that golden tree in there? That gets packed there at night as well. And this just goes down to the main Sukhumvit road. And that's North Pattaya Road. Nothing too exciting, I know. I just thought I'd give you a look, something different. Never know what you find here in Pattaya. But stay safe, everybody, because this is P. Joe, over with the show. Going back to my condo. And there we are, the main Sukhumvit highway. Look at that. Alright, Uru guys, take care.